Hi. In today's video, I'll show you how to share contacts on your Android device. To get started, open the Contacts app on your Android phone and select the contact you want to share. Tap the Share option or the three-dot menu, then choose Share Contact. Next, select the app you want to use to share the contact, such as Messages, Gmail, WhatsApp, or another messaging app. The contact will be shared as a vCard file, allowing the recipient to save the contact information to their own device. If you want to share multiple contacts, some Android phones let you select several contacts at once before tapping the Share option. This feature may vary depending on your phone model and Android version. And that's it, you've successfully shared a contact on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.